welcome to my channel today. I am your presenter on this channel, Adeze Olu. So today I want us to talk about something. Okay, yes, we are Igbos, so there is something I want us to talk about, and it concerns our cultural practices in Igbo land. So one of these cultural practices we Igbos practice is ikuchi wine. Ikuchi wine. So ikuchi wine basically it means marrying marrying a wife to a dead man. Okay. Yes. For example, if you as a man has a deceased brother, the wife of your deceased brother becomes your wife. So that is the cultural practice I'm talking about. Ikuchi wine. Ikuchi wine. So I heard that in some places in Igbo land that these things are still being done. Now when the brother remarries the late brother's wife and gives birth to children, most times it still belongs to the dead brother. Yes. Except for some arrangements, but the way I heard that the children still belong to the late brother. So does it really mean that the man remarrying doesn't have anything now? Does the man become an Aaron empty-handed, remarrying to still keep someone's lineage on, while you as a man marry the person, you don't have anything to hold from that marriage? Then another one I want us to talk about is inubata wine. Inubata wine. This one, it involves, okay, this one happens where a woman is an only child without a male sibling. So when this woman now gets to an age, she decides to marry a woman that will give birth to children, that will make this family name not just go extinct, that will make this family keep going. That one is Inobata wine. So the woman basically goes out to marry a woman who now gets pregnant from anywhere at all. The woman is made free to go get pregnant from anywhere. In Igbo land, yes, it's done like that. That is Inobata wine. So ọ bụrụ na amụọ nwanyị sọsọ ya n'ezinụlọ, o ruo afọ dịka afọ ọ ga-eji wee sị mba na aha ezinụlọ ya agaghị emechi, agaghị echefu aha ezinụlọ ya, dịka ọ chọrọ ime ka a hapụ ichefu afọ ezinụlọ ya, o mee nụbata nwaanyị n'ezinụlọ ahụ, were nye nwaanyị ahụ ọ nụbatara ikike ịga ebe ọbụla ọ chọrọ ga tụta ime ahụ, ọ mụọ ụmụ, ọ bụrụzie ụmụ nke ezinụlọ ahụ, ha abụrụzie ndị nketa oke. They will now be partakers. They will inherit everything about the family. They will inherit the family name, everything, all the properties that is owned by the family. They will all inherit it. They will all inherit them. Okay, so that is Inobata wine. So we still observe this cultural practice in some parts in Igbo land. Now, this other one, Ikuchi wine. Most times people no longer do that. Why? Because we feel that we need to find our own love Therefore, we cannot just come and start loving someone that has been loved by that person and all that. So people are now wisening up more. So that aspect of ikuchi wine, I don't really think that is still being done just the way it used to be done in the olden days. But I'm sure of that Inobata wine, that one still happens. Inobata wine. Marrying a woman into a family that has no male child at all. So that the woman will now be giving birth to children. And I know that male child will be among the children the woman will give birth to. And this male child will now be a heir in the family. So this is something that is practiced, this is a culture that is practiced in Igbo land. Okay. Yes. Mhm. So in my next live video, I'll talk about moonlight games. I'll talk about moonlight games. Mhm. And I'll also be talking about Omugo, child visit. Yes, I'll talk about that too. So guys, please click on the subscribe button and also share this video. Please, if there is anything you want us to do on this channel, like any topic you want us to talk about, please kindly make your input on the comment section. Make your comments. Like this video, share this video, make your comments. Thank you very much for watching. I remain your presenter on this channel, Adelise Ono. Thank you. Cordino. Kemesiano. Till next time, guys. Bye.